Okay, so here's what's up. I wasn't planning on filming today, but I went to my parents' house and I got a new plant pot for my bird of paradise, and this thing needs to be repotted. And I want to do it right now. I'm gonna do it right now. It's a Saturday night, Alex is out, so it's a perfect time to do it. So this thing has been in here for a year. We're gonna get it out of this dirt, separate the babies, put the babies in some smaller pots, hopefully, and then get the big boy into a bigger pot. And the pot that I got is huge. Let me go show you. Let me go get it, I should say. Like, it's gigantic. It should be a really good upgrade for that plant. Look how big it is. Oh, God. Okay, I need to get something to put dirt in. Something big. Let me look. All right, I have a dye pot here. So I've repotted this plant once since getting it. I've had it a couple years now. And I think I'm gonna put the big pot onto that rolly thing because this is gonna be so heavy. Hi, by the way. If you're new here, I'm Laura. And this is the Last Minute Laura channel. When you come here, you can usually find me making something or doing something crafty. But today, I guess, you're getting plant content. So I'm just gonna get a bunch of it into this pot. Then I'm gonna try and dig that thing out of that pot to put in here, and then we'll backfill. Do you hear the baby birds behind me? Hatched last weekend. So that tomorrow they're gonna be 1 week old. Oops. Oof. That is a big plant. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna take the babies off of this plant. I think I'll leave them and just let them fill in this pot. Beautiful. Actually, I liked the monsteras in here. I think I'll leave them because they are nice. All right, before I finish filling it up with soil, I'm gonna put it onto the rolly thing so that it's easier to move around. Now I'll just top it off. There we go. Just roll that back in. Beautiful. That can even go back in. Looking good. And now I have one new planter full of dirt. I felt like I should film that just because it was a big deal for me to repot it. It felt monumental enough to film. Well, I hope you liked watching it. She is beautiful. Look at that beautiful plant. Now it's in this big, huge pot. That'll be good for at least a year. Look at that beautiful new leaf. Wow. And the monsteras look good in there too. Anyway, hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks for supporting me on Patreon, patrons. And stay tuned for an after shot of a cute little baby bird. Ta-da! Ignore my dirty hands, I was just planting. Look at that baby. Hi. Look at that beautiful wing. So pretty. You're such a pretty bird. Look at those dinosaur feet. Oh, careful. See that nice full tummy? Hi. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.